Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm, and you're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. My current state is disappointed and frustrated. Frustration's my choice. Disappointment, don't quite know at the moment. But anyway, today's Tai Chi tip is to practice when you have a low stakes frustration, disappointment, an upset, a disequilibrium, low stakes. And practice your form. So for me, it's the base form, your most well known, your default practice, your longest term companion. And practice to see where in the being that frustration is carried, where in the being that disappointment is felt, what in the being pays the price for that frustration and disappointment. Is something tight? Is something slower? Is something in some way challenged? So, trying to seek the teaching in every life experience. But then again, that's what we do. Seek the teacher, seek the teaching, and seek to be the teacher. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.